We're headed out to see if we can get the Super C running and plow some snow in the yard today. Snowing right now. Oh, we got a black cat ran through. It's a feral cat that hangs around. I guess I'll have to start thinking about feeding it maybe. So it's snowing out a little bit. It's been snowing yesterday an inch or so overnight on the sidewalk here. And although we plowed out the driveway with the snow blower, we haven't done the yard. And so, why I didn't get the thing started yesterday, the switch new switch I put in had frozen, so you couldn't turn it on. And my, I usually charge the battery up ahead of time because I don't run it much. And that had not been working. So what I'm going to do this morning on the switch here is try to pour just a little bit of hot water on it. It has a little plug in the manifold. I don't have the right kind of a plug for it. Dad used to use that opening to hook up to the milker pump when the electricity was off. Had a tube that would go from there to the milker pump and run one surge bucket milker. Enough vacuum when this is running to do that. So now, let's unhook the battery maintainer. Unplug it. The gas is on. Now let's pour some hot water on the switch, shall we? Put that new switch in, and the regular switch was like $30, so I got a $7 push-pull switch. But somehow it froze up. It rained a little, even though I had it in the shed. It's not very far in. And it rained a little on it, so let's take, I got a mug here. I don't want to pour very much. There it's on. Wonderful. Now, let's see if it'll start, shall we? What's the chances? Switch it on. Choke is out. Neutral. Gas about halfway. something. The gas tank had got water in it somehow. So if you look at the sediment hole, just about half full of water. Why it's running for. I'll put in a bottle of heat. I really can take the sediment hole off and drain it. And I'm going to put in a can of a bottle of isopropyl alcohol. Well, it started running a little better, but it's obviously got water in the gas.